अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, मैं हूं मोहम्मद इब्राहिम आपके चैनल डायमेंशनल फिजिक्स से। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे सॉलिड स्टेट फिजिक्स। टॉपिक है जी कोवलेंट बॉन्ड एंड एक्सचेंज इंट्रैक्शन। तो स्टूडेंट, in this bonding the valence electron are not transferred from one atom to another atom as in ionic crystal, but the neighboring atoms share their valence electron under the formation of strong homopolar or covalent bond. The bond is called homopolar because the atoms taking part in covalent bond are identical and they have no permanent dipole moment. The covalent bond are formed by the shared electron pairs between the valence electron in the complete outer shell of atom. The spin of two electrons in such the binding of molecular hydrogen is a simple example of covalent bond. The strongest binding occur when the spins of two electrons are antiparallel. The spin dependent Coulomb energy is called exchange interaction. To investigate the bond in a crystal, we measure its dielectric constant at low and high frequency. In an ionic crystal, the dielectric constant frequency dependent. Also in a covalent crystal, the dielectric constant is independent of frequency. तो ये था जी हमारा लेक्चर अबाउट कोवलेंट बॉन्ड। बड़ा ही शॉर्ट सा लेक्चर था। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। अल्लाह हाफिज़।